Do you want to know how to keep your bathroom smelling clean and fresh throughout the day without having to go through all that hard work of scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing? Well, today I have a quick video to show you how I use the Fly Lady swish and swipe to clean our bathroom smelling fantastic and being clean. Guys, if you can, just time me from now until the time I finish so you can see what a short process it is to have a bathroom that's always smelling clean and fresh every single day. Okay, so the first thing we do, you're gonna get your cloth. Okay, you'll find some other people on YouTube using like wipes, disinfecting wipes and all that. I am a saver, guys. I'm trying to budget, so I use any old cotton clothes that we have in the house. These are my kids' old t-shirts, which are 100% cotton, and they're torn, so you can't give them to anyone. So I have two of them. One is for scrubbing and this one is for swishing. Okay, so I just take my bathroom cleaner, it's on, I just do a few squats. It has disinfectant and it just cleans nicely. Okay, so I will just wipe it. The cloth is slightly damp, so it's disinfecting the taps and the sink where the kids will be touching. And then once a month, when you are in zone 3, cleaning the house in Fly Lady zone 3, which is the bathroom and one other room, that's when I will do a deep clean of the bathroom now with the scrubbers and the scoring powder and everything. All right, so there we have it. My sink is good to go. And you can imagine the kids are always touching the sink and the taps when they're cleaning their hands, so you really want it to be clean. And then I try to time this so that by the time I'm done with the swishing and the swiping, I try to finish before my help is done washing the clothes outside, so that I can give her the clothes and then she washes them every day. So just before she's done washing everything else, she cleans for me these ones every day. So now I'm done with the sink, it's clean and I'm happy. This is the hand wash that we also made on this channel. Please check out that video. Then we're going to go straight into the bathroom and then we're going to swish and swipe there. So when I come into the bathroom, the first thing I do is I'm going to remove the mats. We change this every 3 days, after every 3 days. And then let me show you what I have in my bathroom. Because I have toddlers, I have this step stool and I have this as a seat for the kids, and I also have a potty. Okay, so before I start cleaning these ones and disinfecting them, I will first do the swish and swipe of the tiles and the walls. Okay guys, this is an old home, but we still take care of it because that's where we live, that's where the Lord wants us for now. Okay, so you just spray the walls, spray the tiles. Guys, when I started, these tiles were starting to turn yellow, but over time I'm seeing they're getting brighter and brighter just with this swishing and swiping method. Okay, so now I'm done with the walls and the tiles. See, it took me less than 2 minutes. So then I come to the other things in the toilet. So what I have done here is a container. I've put in water and the liquid detergent that we made on this channel. This time I made a blue one. So it's just water and liquid detergent. So I'm just going to clean these ones. Because if you don't have kids and you don't have these things, your swish and swipe is going to go a whole lot faster. Because if you don't have any of these, your swish and swipe is going to go a whole lot faster than mine does. Alright, so once I have finished, I'm going to take my cloth, my disinfecting cloth and my method, and I just spray and disinfect the toilet seat and dry it up nicely, okay? So those are clean. Now we come to the swiping part. Now the swishing part, sorry. So I'm going to clean the toilet. So I'll start again with just this this liquid detergent in water, and I'll just scrub it. So a neat trick I learned from Fly Lady is, let me bring this closer so you guys can see. So what we do is, she said you can put some liquid detergent and just water into your toilet brush holder. Okay, so that's exactly what I do. You can see it's blue because I put the blue liquid detergent that I made and some water. That's it. And she says it doesn't matter what kind of soap you use. Not that the stronger the soap, the cleaner your toilet is going to be. Actually, what makes your toilet clean and fresh is cleaning it often. Okay, so you just put the liquid detergent, that's it. I don't usually use the toilet cleaners. I have bought some, but they're still around the house because I found this to be so effective. What I do use, however, is a scoring powder like this one. Okay, so what I do is I will just put some into the toilet bowl, and now like today, because I'm scrubbing the floor, I'll also put a little bit on the floor. Okay, just kidogo sana like that. Then I'll take my brush, which already has soapy water, and I will scrub. And because I do this every day, there's not much scrubbing required. It's actually a very quick process, 2 minutes and I'm done. And then I will change this water in the toilet brush holder. I change it every 3 days. And when I want to, on the week that I am doing on zone 3, then I will put some bleach and disinfectant together with the water in the toilet brush holder to clean the toilet brush itself. Okay, then just do that, and then I will flush the toilet and use that water to rinse my toilet brush. Let me show you. Just hold it there like that. So that's the swishing part. Now what I want to do is I'm going to rinse the top of the toilet. So this has already taken me like 10 minutes, but most of that has been used just explaining to you guys. When I'm not explaining, of course, it goes a whole lot faster. So I'm done with the toilet. Now I just want to scrub the floor. And again, because I scrub it every day, it's not very dirty. So it's just really a very easy thing to do. So I'm done drying the bathroom. I'll just put out the water. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to now disinfect the toilet seat that we have just cleaned, okay? Use the bathroom cleaner. I'm drying it. You guys, it smells so good in here. The bathroom will always be toilet ready. The bathroom will always be guest ready. And you practice doing the swish inside every day. And you don't have to worry about kids coming out, they're touching what, because you've cleaned and disinfected it. And sometimes during the day when the kids go to take a nap at lunchtime, I will just come and check how it is. And if need be, I'll just spray a bit more and wipe in case there are any messes. Alright, then I'll put back my toilet accessories, as you might call it. Right, I'll put that, and I'll put two and receipt. Okay, I'll take the patty back to the kids' room because it's used only at night. And that's it. So as soon as I finish doing my swish and swipe, I have to clean my hands. Please don't forget to wash your hands. We already made this hand wash here and it has disinfectant, okay? So it's great so you don't go contaminating other surfaces in your house. And yeah, it's very, very crucial. Don't forget also to keep changing your hand towel at least once every 24 hours. We put out a new one. So it's good to have a good number of hand towels, especially in this cold season. We have put links to where you can get some great 100% cotton hand towel. And of course, our trusted cocoa butter for keeping our hands nice and moisturized. It's the original version straight from Accra, Ghana. Keeps your hands also from aging after all that scrubbing. You know how much scrubbing and cleaning we do as moms in the house, okay? So yeah, there we go. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please, if you did, share with someone and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.